echoes of infinity, in the vast expanse where the stars gently wave. Life's tapestry unfolds with dreams we conceive, with every sunrise a canvas anew. Paint your journey with true colors amidst the whisper of the cosmic breeze. Seek the wisdom in rustling leaves and seas. Let curiosity be your guiding light, and the dance of shadows find your sight. Embrace each moment, let your spirit soar, and the symphony of time explore evermore. Every heartbeat a note, every breath a rhyme, in the eternal song of life find your prime.